Trunk lid on the 59 Edsel. That's definitely worse than I thought. I knew it needed work, but it's just a slightly bit more than I had planned. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a template. Instead of patching this section, I'm gonna replace it. So I'll make it some template so I know where the holes go, and there's actually a plate welded in here. So that'll end up getting cut out and re-welded into the new bottom section that I make. I know some of the lips are, I know I'm going to end up having holes in here. But we'll figure that out as we go. Yeah. A lot of this for us, I think what it is from not having a floor. You see how it shot up under here on both sides. I would say that's not from not having a floor. The stuff in the back is just, well, mouse nest and everything else. Soaking up water, pee, all rotting. I might do this in 3 sections. It might be easier. It's a little messier than I thought it was going to be.